Alright, as promised, we got her done. We're putting her on a dolly. I hate putting it on a dolly because it's rear wheel drive, but we're only going 5 miles. I think we'll be okay. We'll put some magnet lights on it. We got it in neutral. We got good tires. It's not going to blow. I know Camaro owners are hating on me right now for putting this on a dolly, but I have to do what I have to do because, well, U-Haul is expensive and I'm not paying $200 for a record to go 8 miles. So next time you see it, it'll be at the shade tree.
2 hours later.
All right. It's in the shade tree garage. Ready for me to start turning wrenches and busting knuckles. Ready for the party to begin. That's my neighbor. This Pontiac Tempest. It's just a big shade tree garage around here. Till next time, catch y'all later.